I spent 13 years in the online casino industry, starting out as a customer service agent, hearing real concerns from players, spotting early signs of problem gambling, and understanding the day-to-day realities of users on the platform. That insider view frames the question today: should the Philippines ban online gambling or regulate it properly? Countries that choose tight regulation over outright bans end up with measurable consumer protection. Take the United Kingdom. GameStop, the countrywide self-exclusion list, now tops 500,000 live blocks. UKGC stats show roughly 1/4 of new users under 25, and a survey of Ipsos by roughly 4,600 people who joined GameStop found that 3 out of 4 felt more in control of their gambling after signing up. So in the UK, ang GameStop is a national self-exclusion. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng self-exclusion? Mababan ka sa lahat ng online platforms pagka-sign up mo sa GameStop. And this happens instantly. This is a very good exit strategy pag ayaw mo na talaga. Pag self-excluded ka, hindi ka na makakabalik for a period of 6 months, 1 year, or 5 years. At hindi ito revocable. Talagang tatapusin mo yung duration, hindi ka talaga makakabalik. Since October 2021, the UK Gambling Commission has outlawed slot autoplay, capped spin speed at 2.5 seconds, and banned near-win fireworks. All features shown by behavioral research to fuel risky play. Comparing sa mga games dito sa Pilipinas, nakikita nyo yung autoplay. Ibig sabihin, isang pindot lang, mag-spin yan automatically for 10, 20, ikaw ang magsiset. Sa UK, pinagbawal yun. Nakaka-trigger kasi to ng compulsive gambling. Dapat isa-isang spin para in control pa rin si player. Minsan, hindi ka naman talaga panalo pero may mga effects na parang nanalo ka. Yun yung mga near-win fireworks na sinasabi ko. Yun yung mga nakakaengganyo pa maglaro sa mga player. Kasi parang, ay, mananalo na sana ako. Sige, isa pa, tuloy pa natin. Bawal yun. Risky yun. Marketing is muscled too. No celebrities, no get-rich hooks, and if a player wants to raise a deposit limit, a 24-hour cooling off plus an affordability check kicks in first. Sa mga bansang nagko-comply, wala kang makita mga celebrities na nagpo-promote ng online gambling. Dito sa Pilipinas, ultimong mga noontime show hosts nagpo-promote ng sugal. Yung mga get-rich hooks na parang dito, malaki ang chances manalo. Walang ganon, guys. May mga platforms na nag-offer ng deposit limit. Yung iba, walang kwenta. Pero ang maganda, ang deposit limit, pag nagsiset ka, dapat may cooling off pag gusto mong palitan. Lalo na kung tataasan mo. Kasi ano pang sense kung magsiset ka ng deposit limit, kaya mo rin naman dagdagan ng dagdagan pagka kinukulang ka sa paglalaro. One digital block, slower reels, muted ads, and forced spending pauses. That's regulation, not prohibition. None of this is technically hard. It already works elsewhere. What we need is political will, public pressure, and a regulator that does not profit from the spin it polices.